heart. Before I forget, I have to say hello to my mum. Hi Mum. Hello. If she's managed to click on the link that I sent her. Hi Mum, I'm on your computer. Okay, this song shouldn't be fitting right now, but considering the lovely weather we've been having, I'm going to play it. This is called Autumn. And then the light came and blew it all away. No carpet underfoot, no hand to hold your face. Quite kind, just simply passing by. Guess you would, guess I knew that all along was storm to follow. Tears like rain against your skin, no hand to hold, words like stones hit you in the face. A sudden snap said I told you so. Well, don't leave me here in autumn when the winter's falling down, falling down, falling down, falling down, falling down, falling down, falling down. Don't leave me falling down, falling down, falling down, falling down, falling down, falling down. Don't leave me here. You can't leave me in your eyes, the way was there all the time. I waited too long for you to say what I wanted you to say was what words could never say, and all you ever took was what I needed more. And here in my head, when nothing makes sense, there's an ocean of reasons why I should say no. 1,000 more still up doesn't exist, but I can swim, boy, through it. Falling down, falling down, falling down. Don't leave me here. quite kind, just simply passing by. I guess you were, I guess you knew that all along, the storm to follow. Tears like rain against your skin, no hand to hold, words like stones hit you in the face. The sun